Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, carpeted floor mats, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer, body color door handles. Your new ride is just a phone call away.